video, we are looking at solid geometry, but this time we are looking at truncated solid geometry. That means whether it want to be a pyramid, prism, cone, or cylinder, we're going to cut that solid geometry, and we're going to do several things to it. One, we're going to construct the true shape of the cut surface, and we're going to complete the end view, and we're also going to produce the development. So there are several topics in just one video. All right, let's go to our setup. So here we have a, what do we, 1 2 3 4 5. We have a pentagon based pyramid. All right, now the difference between the pyramid is that the pyramid, they go to a point, so the apex, right, or all the sides meet at a point. With the prisms, the sides are said to be parallel. All right, so here we have it now, that this particular pyramid was cut. So the term cut means we truncate it. What we want to do first is we want to finish the plan view. So to get started, we go to draw line, we ensure that we turn on ortho, and we go to draw line. Now this is where the cut exists. So this is the cut for each one of the sides, right? So at this point, we're going to bring it down. 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 Why is this in hidden detail? This one is in hidden detail because when we look from this part here, we're able to see this surface, this surface, this surface. But this line is at the back and we can't see it. So therefore, that is in hidden detail line. So let's start. We send this line down. Now where this line comes and cut right here, then that is, we're going to put a point right there. Right? So we can mark that spot there. And we're going to repeat line. We bring this down and we're going to cut the E line, the A line. Or let me correct these people. So right here is E and right here is A. So we have A right here. We have B right here. And this would be C. Alright, and of course D is around the back. Alright, good. So our E line, this E line, come and cut the E right here. Then we have this point on the A line, we'll come and cut the A line right there. So a point, and we'll put a point there. Now we have draw a line again, and we come from here, and we're going to come and cut. What line is this? Which line is this? What line is this? It's the B line. So we'll come and we'll cut the B line. All right, point. I will drop a point right there. Then we go draw a line, and from the top here, we come down and we're going to cut the C line. Point. I will put a point there. All right, good. Now, what you notice is that if I can't get a line to come down to intersect the line D. So how do I go about getting the line D? Well, what I will do, from here, I will draw a line and let this line cut the slope. So this line will come and cut this slope. Once that line cut this slope, then we can come to draw a circle, put it here, open to there, and then we bring this down. We bring this down right there. Now, point right here where the circle cuts this line is where that point will be. All right. Now let us do some trimming now. So we'll get rid of this. All right. And all we know is connect these points. Connect here, there, here, here, there, and there. So I'm going to brighten this. All right. And there we have it. Now what we're going to do with inside here is we are going to hatch it. Because once the surface cut, you know we're going to hatch it. All right. Oh, what have I done? Let me undo. All right. So right there. So that would be our hatch. All right. So that would be our hatch, and we will convert this. So we have now hatched the. This is now the completed plan. So this is what the plan looks like when we look down on it. When we look down on it, this is what the plan looks like. All right. Now, time for us to now get um, the true shape. Now, when we look down on this, right, this is not the true shape that we're looking on because it's kind of slow. So this surface is at an incline. So there's no way that this could be the true length or any one of these could be the true length. So we're going to have to project it now using auxiliary. All right. So we draw a line that is perpendicular to these points. So let me just copy all of these points. So I'm going to copy this, copy here, copy there, copy there, copy there. That one miss. Copy there. So let me get rid of that one. And we copy there. So there we are. Alright. So we have all these lines that are perpendicular. Let me just do 60. Alright. And we are going to extend all these lines, EXT. Alright. So we've now extended all those lines. Alright. Now, what we could do to get the true shape of this line here, right, is we could measure from the base. Right, we measure from the base right here and pick up all these points. So let's extend this. All right. So what we'll do is we're going to pick up all these points. So what is the distance from here to here? All right. What is the distance from here to here? Let's measure this distance. that is 31.8. 31.8. So offset 31.8. Offset 31.8. All right. And on this line, 31.8 will be right there. So we type point. Will be there on this line. Then the next point we want is from here to here. Let's measure from here to there, and that's 14.1. So we're going to say offset 14.1, and on this line we say point, and it is right there. Now that we have these, we can delete this because we don't want any confusion. All right, we know we have the point. Let's go now to the next point. So the next point would be on D. So we're going to measure D. And this is and that is 35.6. So we say offset 35.6. Right, and this point now would be there on D. That's where that point will be. Now the next point we want is C. So let's measure C. C from here to there, and that's 28. So we're going to offset 28. 28, and it is on this line. So C is on this line. So it's a point. C is on that line. Let's get rid of this. And we want finally B. So let's go and measure B. Not B, sorry. Yeah, B. 19.3. That's 19.3. So we offset 19.3. And B is on this line. So it's a point there. So now what we do, we connect all these points. So connect here, there, here, there, here, and there. All right, and this now would be the true shape of the cut surface. So this is the true shape of the cut surface. Let me trim out everything inside here, and then we will patch. All right, so this here is our true shape. We put leader, turn off auto, and this is our true shape. Right? And this is the true shape of the cut surface. So that's the true shape of the cut surface. So that there now is the true shape of the cut surface. All right. Now, the third and final objective now is for us to get the the development. All right. Let me extend this because I want to find about the top of the all right. So that there is the top of the apex. This line is supposed to be outlined by block. All right. Let me trim this up now. So this here is the top of the pyramid. Right here is the top of the pyramid. So I want to go to draw a circle from here, and we draw a circle to there. All right. Draw a circle to there. Now, what we can do is we can. I don't want the development to come inside of this because since we have the true shape right there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this to about there, and I will move this to there. All right. So the development now will come within here. Now, what we need to do is get back the length of a side, and we're going to step off the length of the side. All right. So circle from here to here will be the length of a side. What I'll do, I'll pick this up and I'll take it here. All right. So I'm now going to go to point, and this is a point, and let me put another point right there. So it means then that from here to here is one side. From there to there is one side. And let me connect from here to here. All right. And what I'll do now is I'll just move this circle. So I'll move this circle from here to there. And then I type point. Sorry, point. I'll move the circle from here to there. Point. I'll move the circle from here to there. Point. Now let's see how many sides you have. So we have one. I'm going to draw a line. 2, 3, 4. So we need one more. So we're going to move this from here to there. Point. And we'll have that point there. So we can get rid of that now. So we'll connect this now. All right. Good. All right. So this point is. All right. There we have it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sides. All right. Because since the pentagon has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to do the cut from right here. Let me get rid of this. All right. So we're taking the cut. We're going to take the cut from E. So we have a scissors, or we have a saw that will cut this. So this is where we're cutting and opening up the pyramid, right? Therefore, all these edges here, we want them to bring them to this side here, right? So let's go. Let's find where this point will be. Let's take this. So we know that this is the point here. So we'll go for a circle. And from the top here, circle there. All right. And what we're going to do with this circle, we're going to copy it. All right. And then we'll bring it right here. Now we're going to go to point. PO. So we have one here. And we have one there. All right. So now we're going to draw another line from here. And we will take this circle and move it to this point. All right, because it's coming from the A. So it's A. So we'll copy this circle. And we're going to come to the center there. All right. So now, after we cut A, all right, so A is the second one. So we're going to mark this one. So we say point, and we mark right there. Good. Get rid of that. So now we're going to bring across. We can bring across this. This is already there. So let's bring this to that point there. Bring that to that point there. So now this we are going to copy. And we'll bring it to the center here. Now I want you to notice something now. Now this one was A. So A is this one. This one is D. So D is all the way around there. Right? So D is next to E. So this is where we're going to be. So this is E. So D is next to E. So we're going to say point, and it will be that one. All right? Let's get rid of this. Now, let's bring across this point. All right? So circle. And we come to that point there. So we'll copy this circle. And we'll drop it here. And let's look now where this is now. So this one is our B line. All right? And this is the B line. So we want this one. So we're going to say point there. All right? Get rid of this. Now we bring the circle to this edge here. All right? Which will be the C edge. And all we do now with this circle is we copy it and we bring it there. And then we say point, and that's the point right there. Now all we need to do is just connect these. So connect here, connect there, connect here, connect here, connect here, connect there. All right, and we just click on each one of these. We'll just trim the rest when we finish, because we want to convert them to our outline. Alright, and now we just trim. So this here is the development. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the development of this truncated frustum. Alright, this here will be the true shape of the cut surface right here. Alright, so copy this. And we say this is the development of truncated solid. Alright, so that's the development of the truncated solid. Alright,